Hello, my name is Akshith. I am doing a review on the skid steer rotor. It looks very nice, and for the little beams there, it makes a good fit. So it looks very good like the real thing. I see some bars or steps, or you can put like equipment with, like hooks. I haven't gotten into the details, but I never seen these kind of tires in Microtechnic. They're extended. They're like, dude. They're like, extended. Well, it's a new for me. It's a new for me. It looks very good, except this and the gears not, like hidden. Besides that, it is perfect. So, should we get into in the features? That's a challenge for me, but I have a challenge for you. I have a myth for you to bust. The myth is you cannot subscribe and hit the bell at the same time and like at the same time. So that's two things. Awesome, dude. So the features, you can put this up. It can go really high, and I like that feature. My grandma even likes that feature. There's only like 140 pieces. That's just the estimate because I counted every part. Even the inside parts by removing pieces. And it can go really high, like really high. Once you get to sit, you see how high it can get. It's like, dude, it's taller than my face. And you can dump the bucket. It just takes like 10 minutes to build this. I'm surprised there's only 140 pieces and it costs only $11. This is a great Lego set for $11. What the heck, dude? And this can open. And the wheels can't move when it's open. And they spin now. Okay. Time to put it down. So, my things on the set. You should definitely buy it. It is great for any child. Very smart. There's a Wembley included, so I'll give you that. And also the Return of the Blackbush. The Return. I only saw this in one Lego set. That is the big giant helicopter, of course. The Osprey. The giant helicopter. With two rotors and a wing. Transform into helicopter. Transform for aeroplane. That big guy. I only saw that in that Lego set. Don't expect me to do a review on that. I have not buy that, but I saw that in YouTube videos. Don't judge me. I'm just too young for that. My things, it's pretty good. I want you to buy this. I want you to feel the experience of it. It even comes with dash. Naughty boy. Not you. It even has this dash that can move up and down. The seat can adjust. If you're a person that likes short seats like that, do it. But I kind of like that. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Subscribe. hit the notification bell and hit the like. So you can every like equals every equals every video.